Hi everyone, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have a very exciting special video to share with you today. So, I have a new alarm. It is a spectral alarm. I mean, it's probably obvious, but with no further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, so here we go. Alright guys. Oh yeah. There it is. Yep. It's the 4-wired version, meaning it has 9 tones, not 6, and the horn and the strobe can be wired separately. So that's awesome. Now, there you go. Haha, yes. Alright, so there's that. Now, of course, here's the mounting bracket with the screws. And here is the instructions. Right? Now, here's the actual alarm. Huh. Something on the strobe right there. You can see it's like right there. So this is new, but I don't know. Strange. Okay, maybe it's new old stock. That's probably what it is. That would make more sense. Oops. It was listed as new on eBay. And I got it for $16. Free shipping. So this is pretty good condition considering, you know, that is the highest candela. And for those of you that don't know what candela means, it's the brightness of the strobe. Awesome. So now, I will be installing this alarm to... You see that system over there? Here, I'll see if I can zoom in. Right over there. You can see my control panel and everything else. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, share, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!